Welcome to the Attendee Hub for the Trauma-Informed School Conference. Here are step-by-step instructions for you to follow. First, visit the Google Play Store to download the app. Then, search for Attendee Hub in the search bar at the top. Find Crowd Compass Attendee Hub and tap Install. Wait for the app to be downloaded. You can open the app from the Play Store page or on your device's app drawer. Within the app, tap on the search bar and enter TISC, T-I-S-C, and tap Search. The TISC app will appear. Tap Install to access the app. If you are asked by the app to access photos, tap Allow. The app will begin downloading. Now you will be prompted to sign in. Make sure to use the email and password you used to sign up for the conference. Now you're done. Feel free to explore the app. You can view the schedule to see the sessions you signed up for, or visit the Social tab to see updates from Facebook or Twitter. Be sure to go through the list of speakers as well.